welcome back. It's still Monday. One of those Mondays that just keeps going and going. Okay, I want to give you an example of the last few problems that you have to do in the classwork, which is page 345, 1 through 19. So those 19 problems will take you a little bit of time to do, just letting you have a heads up on that. All right, so this is called vertex form. Vertex form is when you have a number times x minus h in parentheses squared plus they use the letter k. Don't ask me why they use these letters. I really don't know. But I wrote one down here that's similar. So the 3 is the a, x minus 4, so the 4 is the h, and then the plus 7 is the k. The vertex is always the h next to the k. Now when you do the h, you just take the whatever's going to make the 0 in here. So 4 minus 4, so the h would just be 4. And the 7 would be your y value. So 4, 7 would be your thing. Just be careful with that. It's not negative 4, it's positive 4. So now we're going to take a couple of them, and we're going to take what they give us, and we're going to put it into this form so that we can find the vertex. That's all they want you to do is find the vertex. All right, so we're going to take this one and rewrite it as x squared minus 6x plus blank plus 10. Now there's no equals sign in there. So we're going to go ahead and put in here what needs to go. Half of 6 is 3 and 3 squared is 9. So this is plus 9. To keep it equal, we're going to have to subtract 9 over here. If we go plus 9 and minus 9 in the same little expression, that's 0. And so make sure that you go minus 9 from here. So then we get x minus 3 squared, and then this would be plus 1, and this would be f of x equals. So that means my vertex, this is inside, so this is my h, so my h is 3, and this is my k, which we call y. So this would be my, if you graphed it, this would be your x and y, but I don't want you to confuse you with that. If you graph this parabola, you'll find that the vertex is at 3, 1. Okay, last one. We don't want the 5 in front of the x squared when you're completing a square. So the first thing we're going to do is write this part like this. And we'll just put the plus 128 over here for a moment. Okay, now we're going to take and we're going to complete the square on this. And then plus 128. So half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. So you would think you just have to add 25 down here. But in fact, you have to add 5 times 25, because that's really what we're doing there. So 5 times 25 would be 125, so I've got to subtract 125. This is different than when you're doing an equation. When you do an equation, you would add 9 to both sides. But because of this expression, you're going to do the opposite and subtract. So now when we get to done here, we get this. We get f of x equals 5 times, this would be x minus 5 squared plus 3. So my vertex would be 5, and then over here would be 3. And by the way, if this was an x plus 5 in here, then negative 5 would be your h. All right, that's it. So this short, quick video to finish it up. Hope you have a great Thanksgiving. And do this early. Don't wait until Sunday night, like next Sunday night, to do this. All right, take care. Thank you.